In the flash and fire point of a given fuel either kerosene or diesel. In coming to operatives, there we use the thermometer, candle, matchbox, sticks. Sticks are used to introduce the natural flame. Next, my friend Wasim Akram explain about how to conduct the Penske Morton experiment.
Hi friends. Before going to the experiment, we should make sure that the oil is filled up to the mark. In this brass container, the oil should be filled up to the mark, and this is the lid. It consists of a stirrer which is used to stir and spread the temperature all over the boundary of a container. And here is the thermometer inlet valve in which we can measure the temperature of a oil vapors. First we should fix this container which is filled with oil like this, and the lid. Lid should be fixed like this. And here is the thermostat, and here the oil starts heating up. Now we should make sure that when the oil is heating, the lid should be closed. And we should start testing of the oil vapors after 35 degrees centigrade. We should insert a thermometer inside the given valve like this. And we should make sure that the thermometer should not touch the stirrer. It comes under precaution. And here the oil starts heating up. Pass. Why we are using above 35 degrees? Because today's temperature is 30. So the oil vapor starts heating up above 30 degrees. Here is the lid in which we should introduce a naked flame by using a stick. The oil vapor should be tested each and every time. Sorry. We should be careful while we are introducing a naked flame.
There we see the flash point at the temperature of 42 degrees.
So here we got up on what temperature?
43 degrees.
43 degrees. We got a flash point, sir. There will be 10 degree difference in between flash point and 5 point. Here we got the 5 point. You can see here.
At the temperature of 45 degrees.
Sorry, it is not about 45, it is 47. And we should take 3 readings, and we should consider the approximate values which are similar or successive. After completion of this experiment, you should return that apparatus safely, and we should follow some of the precautions. Friends, you may get a doubt what is meant by flash point and a 5 point. Flash point is nothing but the minimum temperature in which oil gets specified, which is required to give a momentary flash. In which oil vapors give a momentary flash is called a flash point. If the oil burns continuously, then we call it as a fire point. That's all, friends. Thank you for watching this video.